I can do this thing.
Okay, it's not working. It's not working with that.
And blow the head. It is
Oh! Oh, it works. Oh. All right. Bye. Hey guys. Today I'm going to the garden. So my sister's already there. They're gardening for the whole day, and I'm going to help them out. So I'm on my way. Right now it's 6 o'clock, 6:32, and it's actually it's already late. But yeah, the sun is still out, and I think it's still fine to go. Yes, we'll see you there. Okay, so I'm here. I'm walking right now, going through there. Yeah. So that's the garden. They're waiting for me, especially the boy, Josh. He's very excited to see me again. Yeah. I'll show you the garden later. It smells like barbecue here. And then I'm starving. I'm gonna eat something. So here I am. People were starting to dig their property. Oh, there's Ate Tina. Hi there. There's the little girl.
Hi, Tita Po.
How's your day?
Good. Tita Po, what did you do? What did you do at the
How's
party?
your day?
What did you do?
How's your day?
What did you do at the party?
Nice.
What did you do at the party?
Eating, talking.
Playing.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so this is a strawberry right here, and I don't know what kind because it said there was a kind of strawberry this was. Do you see this one? Over here, this one. Well, comment down if you know what kind of plant is this. Hi. Hey.
Welcome to our little farm.
There's our cooling spot right here. Power lines.
Isa lang to ng ano. Isa o dos.
So guys, now I found out this is an ever-bearing strawberry. And there's a little sun over there. So guys, I'm gonna show you the place. This is our shading spot. Loves. Two people being busy planting. So guys, now you could see I'm in my shading spot, and there's some two people that are working, and they're planting the plants, and I think they're busy, and it looks like my baby brother's playing over there, and I think it's getting a kind of windy right now. Let me show you over here. Look, it's kind of windy right now. Look, yeah. See, these are the people that are working, except for this little guy over here. I'm gonna take you a closer look at itong mga ano natin ng. Ew. Oh my god, I think they're planting the plants right now for Isabella from Micanto. Okay, so I'm gonna go in my chilly spot. And this is our neighbor there. And that's our Tita. I'll give you a closer look at her. There's Eve. I don't want to drop my phone. Alright guys, right now we're gonna go to Dollarama and we're gonna buy some stuffs.
Good morning! Right now we're having breakfast. So it's Saturday. Sorry, Sunday. Yeah. So maybe after breakfast, we're gonna do math, spelling. Dini's gonna do addition. And then probably we're going to the park if it's not raining. Right? Very good. And then letter M. Marcel. Okay. A. 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 Very good. Finally, he's done writing. He needs more practice though, but yeah, still, he did it. Good job, Dindin.
Here! Oh! Okay, leave it and try to make it a house for him.
Yeah.
This is a river right here, and we are
Dindin, don't.
bringing our bicycle somewhere here.
Uh-huh.
And this is a water flow.
So we are in what? Black Creek?
Black Creek Trail.
Yes, good girl.
Oh!
Oh, careful. What is she trying to do? Careful.
It's Yotin! It's a native planet!
Uy!
I'm having so much fun here. Hi, guys, Yotin. It's not Yotin. It's a tiny apex. That's a mouse!
Go. Go more. Okay. Stop filming. Driftwood Playground. We're having quite an adventure today, huh? Kids were very happy. I'm gonna take a shower, okay?
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Just sit down there, right? No
Okay.
running around?
And eat your 2 breads and don't waste them.
Right.
And don't tell me to eat them because
Right.
that's cheating.
Okay.